for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for house. I for ink pot. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snake. T for tortoise. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for Xmas. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.